Hey, John Higgins here, Mortgage One. Happy Monday, and of course, happy Halloween. So, quick market update. If you read the update below, you're going to notice that there is now some talk that we might actually be coming to the end of all these rate increases. We're going to get another 75 basis points from our Fed here this coming month, and in December probably another 50. And then the talk is that the Fed will start to taper out and maybe even have one rate increase going into 2023. You look at what's going on overseas with the Bank of England, the European central banks, so two of the bigger central banks around the world, and there's already talk, especially with the ECB, that they've made a few aggressive rate hikes, and they're going to start to slow that and actually complete that rate hike early next year. We think our Fed may actually do the same, and that's going to be good for longer-term interest rates. Right now, we know rates are around 7%, and we don't see that changing anytime soon. But we're hopeful as we look forward into 2023, and the Fed is really trying to take demand out of the economy, which means they're trying to force a recession, that we're going to see interest rates as we head into the spring selling season maybe roll over and start down, right? That would be a nice positive. But through this time period here in the winter, it's going to be more of the same, I think, with rates at around 7% or higher. What has that done to our market this year? If we look at the numbers, they're bad compared to 2021 and certainly 2020. But if you look back over the last 5 years, these numbers are more in line with what we saw back then. It just feels like a really cold winter coming because of how aggressive the market was. And it's just a seller's market through and through. That has changed certainly. But as we look into next year, we're hopeful things will start to break up a little bit. So not all spooky gloom and doom today. We think that brighter days are ahead, but it's gonna take at least a couple quarters to get there. So please read the update below. If you need anything, of course, give me a call, and happy Halloween.